What's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about VALE, and VALE is one of the biggest companies in the commodity sector, and they are a huge nickel player. And why you want to listen to me and really take heed if you want to invest into stocks into this company is because they have an amazing dividend yield. So what that means is if you have $1,000 and based on the dividend yield of 23% right here on the bottom, 23.7%, you would be getting $237 per year on a semi-annual basis. So now if you own that stock for 5 years, you would get paid out even more money than you invested based on those dividend yields. And you would still own the stock that it could be worth 4 times your money. So that is a very, very smart investment, and why this is such a gem as far as in the commodity sector goes. That this is pretty much a no-brainer for a long-term investment. It's running a 3.5 PE ratio, and it at 0.68 EPS, earning per share. So that's very good. And its market cap of $63 billion. So based on the fact that in the next 5 years, there's a very good chance that nickel can go a lot higher, that this company will make a lot more money. And then that you, instead of making maybe $230 in dividends based on $1,000 investment per year, you would be getting maybe $500 in the future or $400. It just depends how they want to go about it. They can change the dividend whenever they want, but this is a very big company that's been around a long time. And you're looking at cycles. They've endured highs and lows, and they're going to be around a long time. So I personally own some stock. I just bought. It can go lower, and we saw it went to about $7, and then it went to about $3 in about 2015, I guess. But I believe, based on the fact that inflation is increasing, that there's a greater chance of this going to 20 to 25, 30, and $35 in the next 6 to 35 months. And the fact that the dividend yield is incredible, that this is a no-brainer as an investment. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this amazing information about VALE, and look into it, because the price that it's at may not stay at this rate. It may even open up tomorrow, on Friday at $13.50. There's no telling where it can go, but as that's why you got to act fast if you want to invest. But at the same time, you can do a 2-tier approach where you can invest 50% now and then 50% in a month or 2 months later, or maybe 3 months. But the problem with that is it could be worth 2 times the price, or 40%. But you could also end up getting it cheaper. But in a long term, this is an amazing investment. And in the next 5 years, I have a hard time believing that you can lose on this investment if you hold the position for the time and you don't sell out in fear. So that is my advice. So I hope you enjoy this session. Shaka Cup. Peace. I'm out.